Keeper Tax Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're self-employed, a freelancer, or work as a gig worker, Keeper Tax could be the tax solution you've been looking for. This app is designed to simplify your tax filing process by automatically tracking your expenses, identifying deductions, and maximizing your tax savings. Keeper Tax links directly to your bank accounts and credit cards to scan for write-offs, ensuring you never miss a deduction. One of its standout features is its ability to track and categorize expenses in real time, saving you hours of manual work. Plus, it offers tax filing services, making it a one-stop shop for tax prep and filing. The app was specifically made for people who don't have a traditional employer handling taxes for them. Think freelancers, consultants, small business owners, and anyone with a side hustle. Keeper Tax helps you navigate the often confusing world of deductions, such as mileage, meals, home office expenses, and more. It even sends you tax tips and insights tailored to your industry, so you know exactly what you can and cannot write off. One feature that sets Keeper Tax apart is its proactive notifications. It alerts you to potential deductions throughout the year, not just at tax time, helping you stay ahead of your finances. The app's AI-powered system categorizes expenses automatically, and if there's any confusion, you can reach out to a human bookkeeper for clarification. This blend of automation and human support makes it user-friendly and reliable. Keeper Tax is particularly useful for anyone who struggles with staying organized or doesn't want to dig through old receipts. The app even scans your past transactions for overlooked deductions, which can lead to significant tax savings. And when it's time to file, Keeper Tax generates the necessary forms or connects you with a tax professional. However, it's not perfect for everyone. If you have a highly complex financial situation or run a large business with multiple revenue streams, you might need more robust tax software or a dedicated CPA. Additionally, Keeper Tax has a subscription fee, so it's important to weigh the cost against your potential tax savings. Overall, Keeper Tax is a powerful tool for self-employed individuals who want to save time, reduce stress, and maximize their deductions. If you're tired of scrambling to find receipts or dreading tax season, this app can make a big difference. It's intuitive, proactive, and tailored to the unique needs of independent workers. Give it a try and see how much you could save.